morning everyone. So as you can probably tell, today's video is going to be a day in the life vlog. It's currently Sunday, September 12th, so I have some normal Sunday chores and homework to get done, but I also am going to be doing some fun fall stuff and just really getting in the mood for the upcoming season. Usually I would do this kind of thing on September 1st because that's when fall starts in my books, but I decided to wait so that I could take you all along with me. So I've already started to sprinkle some little fall inspired things into my day. As you saw, I had oatmeal for breakfast and I had some cinnamon apples on it, which always feels very autumnal to me. And then I did some yoga, but I went for a more like chill, cozy kind of flow. I'll link down below the exact video I did, and I just love doing flows more like that during this type of the year. It just feels so relaxing and cozy, like I said, and it's also nice because I'm doing like really intense dancing the rest of the week, so it's nice to kind of chill out with some yoga on Sundays. So we're just going to keep doing stuff like that throughout the day. I hope you guys enjoy, and also a big thank you to Dossier for working with me again on this video, but more about them later. Right now I'm going to go ahead and get dressed and get ready for the day in hopefully a cute fall fit.
Beginning to feel a little bit like autumn. This time next year, I'll touch the trees in Boston, and I don't know what we'll do, but I'm afraid to get lost again.
Alright, so I thought I would give you guys a quick outfit of the day as well. So my top, this is actually new. I just got it over the summer from Goodwill, but it's from Universal Thread originally. I love the pumpkin orange color, and I also really like the square neckline and the linen material. You guys know I've been so into linen, which you can also tell by my shorts. These are from ASOS originally, but I got them on Poshmark. So both of the pieces are secondhand, which is perfect for secondhand September, of course. And then I just added this little gold necklace from Golden, as well as these like tortoiseshell hexagon hoops that I got from Plato's a while back. And I feel like this outfit is really perfect for this time of year because I want to start wearing cute fall fits, but it's literally supposed to be 90 degrees today, so I can't do that. So I feel like this outfit is still very much fall with the colors, but it's still very lightweight, so I can get away with wearing it on a day like today. And of course, my outfit wouldn't be complete without some perfume, so thank you once again to Dossier for working with me on today's video. If you don't know, Dossier is a perfume company, and they create scents that are inspired by luxury ones, but they're able to offer theirs at just a fraction of the price of those luxury ones because you're not paying for that insane brand markup. However, you are still getting amazing quality, long-lasting perfumes, and what I personally love about Dossier is that they're both vegan and cruelty-free, and they're also a really eco-conscious company with things like their packaging, which as you can see is all paper and cardboard, but also with things like their return policy, because with their return policy they make sure that no perfume goes to waste. Any perfumes that are returned, they donate to someone in need, which I think is a really wonderful initiative from them. So I just got 2 new perfumes from them, which I'm so excited to share with you all. The first one is Oriental Oak Moss, and this is inspired by Chanel's Coco Mademoiselle Eau de Parfum. And I was really excited to try this one because on Dossier's website they say that this one is perfect for the evening, so I thought this would be really nice for things like dates, going to shows and concerts and things like that. So I'm so excited to wear this one, but I think the one I'm going to go for today is their Floriental Cedarwood. This is inspired by Thierry Mugler's Alien Eau de Parfum, and the reason I got this one is because I thought it would be perfect for fall, just like a perfect everyday scent for this season. And the reason I thought that is because it has notes of cardamom, cedarwood, amber, and vanilla, which all just sound very autumnal to me. But there's also things like mandarin and orange blossom to kind of lighten it up as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of this on. Yeah, I think that is going to be perfect for fall, so I'm very excited about this one, and the Oriental Oak Moss, of course. So if you want to try either of these perfumes or one of their other amazing scents, all you have to do is go to the link in my description box, and using that link will also get you 10% off of your first order. So definitely check them out. I think you guys are going to love them. And of course, thank you again to Dossier for working with me.
That our world is sealed
red or anything. I shed a few tears a little while ago because I found out that my study abroad program got canceled for the second time, and I'm a senior, so this was my last chance to go. So I'm really upset about that. I was not expecting this day to take that turn, but I'm trying to still, you know, get my things done and enjoy all the fun fall things I had planned today, but I figured I would just put that in here since, you know, that's how real life is going today. But I did finish up most of my chores. I still need to do dishes, so hopefully I have time for that later. Also had some lunch, just a quick little, some toast, nothing special. And now finally gonna get started on decorating. I really love home decor and interior design, and especially for the fall, but before we get into that, we of course have to set the mood and like get the vibes right, so we're gonna go make some coffee.
Waking feels like a dream. Ask myself which version.
Alright, so there's a couple different ways I like to make pumpkin spice lattes, but one of my favorite super easy ways, this is like a little hack I have, is just to get some pumpkin butter. You can find these at grocery stores or like craft fairs. You can find like local ones, and literally all you gotta do is take a spoon and just scoop some out. I kind of usually do like that much, and then just stir it in, and if you're doing a hot latte, it'll just dissolve right into your coffee. And so this is just like so much cheaper than buying like pumpkin spice creamer, and it's easier than using like puree, pumpkin puree, and it still tastes really yummy.
When I walk through the curtain, I don't wanna be mean. One could say I'm learning how fresh sharpened teeth can draw.
Alright, so as you guys saw, I just made my latte. It tastes wonderful, of course. I'm gonna keep sipping on that as we prep a couple more things and then get into decorating. I want to light a candle, but I can't decide which one, so let me turn you around and show you my options. So here are my candle options. I have my spiced pumpkin one from PF. You guys know I absolutely love PF. They're an amazing like sustainable candle company. And then these other four, I actually thrifted all of these. So I have this little assortment, and then I also have this brand new one from Hearth and Hand, which I was really excited to find because obviously it's really pretty. I love these amber jar type ones, and it's in the scent Harvest. And it's also a soy candle. Soy wax is really important to me. So honestly, yeah, I think I'm going to go with this one because it's new and I'm feeling really excited about it. And then maybe we can light one of these other ones later on tonight. Alright, so I think I finally got everything laid out on my bed. I wanted to be able to see everything that I am working with. So this is what we have. And by the way, this orange blanket that you're seeing, I actually just picked this up. It's like my most recent fall decor find. I got this in a thrift store for literally nothing. I'm pretty sure the cashier actually didn't charge me for it, but it's from Threshold originally, so it was an amazing find. I just gave it a wash, of course, and it's good to go. It's so cozy and comfy, and I just love the color. So this is the only thing I've already put out. Everything else is going to be going out fresh, and I think I will save a couple of things for later. So like these three things are more Halloween-y, so I won't put those out till October. And like this sign right here is more related to Thanksgiving, so that'll go out in November, but I wanted to start playing with everything else. Alright y'all, I had to throw my hair up because like I said, it's supposed to be 90 degrees today, so I can definitely feel it starting to get toasty in here. I'm trying to just pretend it's like cozy cabin toasty and not like, oh my god, I'm sweating my ass off toasty, but regardless, what I wanted to say was that all of the decor you just saw, that is all either stuff I've had for years and continue to love and use, or it is stuff that I have actually found secondhand. As you all know, I try to live as sustainable of a life as possible, so I don't shop at fast home decor stores like Home Goods or Target or the like. I don't shop there for fall decor or any decor for that matter because I think they're really unsustainable. And of course, I'm not trying to shame anyone who does. We all have our own unique life and our own unique needs. I'll actually like watch videos of people shopping there just to get inspiration. But like I said, I don't personally shop there, but all of that is just to say that you can live a sustainable life and also still enjoy fall and celebrate it and decorate for it and have tons of fun with fall and all the other seasons. You can do that while trying to still live sustainably. So I just want to make sure you all knew that, but I'm gonna quit rambling now. Let's get into the decorating.
I'm terrified to meet your mother. I'm sure she's a stunner, just like her kid, the angel lover. I feel like a dog, dressed like a cat, not to be happy, just to understand when it's not. Even if I were good, I can't seem to remember tricks for more than a couple turns. Even if I could, there's something in the silence of this waiting room that feels so good. And even if I knew the real reason for anything like getting or loving you, it wouldn't really change the fact I could be cat or dog. I guess whatever is okay.
I just finished up decorating. I think that took me about an hour and a half, and I pretty much just ended up using everything in my bedroom, but I think some of those more Halloween pieces will go downstairs, so in just about a month the downstairs will have a little bit of pizzazz as well, but let me show you how it all came together. Here's how my bed is looking. I love the garland up at the top. Got my blanket, of course, and then I just put out this basket I use as a tray and tried to add some darker, more fall colored items. My window, of course, didn't really change because I have to keep my plants there. And then these shelves also didn't really change much. I just added a tiny little candle, but I wanted to leave like the light pink base and the light pink pillow because, as you probably know, pink is my favorite color. And I also wanted to keep the space still kind of bright and airy. I don't want it to get too dark, so I think the pink kind of balances out the orange and the darker tones. Of course, I sprinkled lots of little pumpkins everywhere. And then I also did just like a lot of switching things out. So I switched out my lavender candle for my pumpkin one, switched out my lighter trinket tray for this one that has more fall colors. And of course I put my little ghosty earrings out on display. I also switched out my perfumes for my new one since I'll be grabbing these more often now. And then I switched out that white candlestick for this berry colored one, which I am really loving this color. I thrifted this for like 50 cents, I think. I thrifted the base too, actually. But I really want to bring some more of this color into this space. And then, of course, another thing I switched out was just my more springtime sign for this fall one. And I really honestly don't have that much fall decor. So something else I did, which I really like, is I just swapped out a lot of my like normal non-decorative items for ones with more fall colors. So I switched out my white sandals for these like dark purple heels, and I switched out my tote bag for this one that just has some more like darker fallish colors. So I think that was a great way to kind of augment the things I did have. And then finally, really nothing at all changed on my desk. My desk already had some like fall vibes going on with like the dried flowers and the colors and this picture frame, so it stayed the same. And I think the only item I didn't end up styling was this garland. I actually got this pretty recently from my school's free store. They were doing a pop-up, so this is also secondhand, and I really like it. I think it's going to do a great job of tying together the pink and orange tones in the room, but I just don't know where to put it because I already have my other garland up, so I don't know if I should like mix this in with that one, if I should put this somewhere totally different. If you have any ideas, please leave me a comment because I just have no idea where to put it. So unfortunately, all the fun decorating is over for now, but I'm really loving how it all came together. So now I think I'm going to take an Instagram photo. Hopefully it won't take too long, but the content just never stops. And then, even more unfortunate, I got to do some homework, but I'm hoping with all the cozy vibes it'll be a little more enjoyable. So let me get to that. I also really need to get a snack because I didn't eat much for lunch, so I'll check back in with you guys after all that. So just kidding, I'm checking in a little sooner than I expected, but I want to show you guys what I'm having for a snack. I'm just having a Cliff Bar, which I don't usually eat granola bars at home. I usually try to save them for when I'm on the go, but I just ordered a bunch of the seasonal Cliff Bars, so I thought I would have my first one of the season today since, you know, we're getting into the fall and holiday spirit today. So I'm just having the spiced pumpkin pie one because it's the most autumnal of the three that they have this year. This one they've had in past years. It's really good. I've already taken a little nibble because I couldn't wait, so I'm gonna keep munching on this. And then unfortunately I really do have to get into some readings. Yay. Since I checked in with y'all, but since I last did, I just have been working on homework. I went to a club meeting, ate some dinner, and then I also posted on Instagram that picture I took earlier. So now we are just coming up on 9 o'clock, and so I'm gonna start getting ready for bed. On Sundays I always like to do that a little bit earlier so that I can take the time and have a nice self-care night and just try to relax, which definitely need to do because I'm just very stressed with school and everything. I didn't get as much homework done this weekend as I would have liked to, but you know, that's just life. So I'm going to try to relax and of course sprinkle some fall festiveness into my self-care night as well.